channel Learning Path. So, this is the part 6 for our HTML tutorial. So, if you want to learn something new, so just subscribe and like my channel, and for more you can just subscribe and click on the bell icon and switch it to all. So, let's start our session. So, in this session we are going to learn about HTML comments. So, anyone here know what is HTML comments? So, if you don't know, that is not a big deal. Let us understand that what is HTML comments. HTML comments tag, you can add comments to your HTML source by using the following index. Write your comments here. Notice that there is an exclamation point in the start tag but not in the end tag. If you can see there, note, comments are not displayed by the browser, but they can help document your HTML source code. Okay, they are not displayed in our final browser, but they can help the debugger to just know that uh, this tag, what this tag majorly defines. So let's try this syntax in our Visual Studio Code, and we'll just choose that file on which we were doing our work. So let's go. So in the last video we have done till here BDO. So just put a HR over here, and then now we are going to write. Can you see it here? So here we are going to write R. So first we have to write an exclamation mark over here. Then you have to write this symbol, and in between you have to write this is an comment. Okay, so it will not be displayed by the browser. If you can see, let me show you. Open with live browser. So let me show you. Can you see over here? You cannot see. You can just see this line, but you cannot see after it. So when you will just right click on it and you will just go on the view page source, then you can just see it. Okay, wait, can you see this? This is a comment. So this comment is shown in the source code. Okay, if you can see, just let us inspect. I think you will be easily view it. You will be you will be understanding it easily. So can you see it? So let's move that how to add an HTML comment. So can you see? So how to add comments to your code? With comments, you can place notifications and reminders in your HTML code. For example, this is a comment, this is a paragraph. Remember to add more information here. So we have done it in our Visual Studio Code. So um, many of them arise a question which is the same. So that question is, why are comments used? So they are used to hide content and hide inline content. Majorly they are used for if as we have learned in our last slide, that they are mainly used for the user or the developer or the debugger to just understand that what that the what to write here, or what to add the information, or it just like our alt tag, it gives a name to it. So the comment also um give the abbreviation or the alternative text. Alternative text majorly to our paragraph or the heading or the content which is visible on the browser. So how to hide content using comments? So let us understand it. So to hide content, comments can be used to hide content. So this can be helpful if you hide content temporarily. Like we can just remove it. For example, P. This is a paragraph. This is another paragraph. This is a paragraph 2. So majorly here are three paragraphs, but one of them is not correct. So they just put a comment tag over here. Okay. So let us try it in our HTML in our Visual Studio Code. So can you see over here? So let us add a paragraph over here, right here. Just p tag over here. Oh, I have it in the caps lock. Oh, let's add. By the way, this HTML is not case sensitive, so it is not important to write any of the character or the any of the tag or the any of the element to write in block quotes or the block letters. You can also write in the lowercase. It is not compulsion to write in the lowercase or the uppercase. You can write as you want. So in the p tag we'll just write that this is our part 6, or let us write subscribe to my channel. Next, in the comments let us write for the users, and then we'll like put p here, and I'll just write like and share as more as you can, right? So just save it. Okay, control S, and then go to the open live server, or you can just directly go to the browser. So can you see, subscribe to my channel, like and share as more as you can. So the middle one is not visible. So when we go to inspect or the view page source, so can you see over here, code injected by live server, this. So when the debugger uses it, so it just click here, and just, and they have a command tool like debug. So they have a command, or they have the right, or they have to authority, they have the authority to rewrite or the debug or to debug the code. So let's come to our topic. So can you see over here, it is not visible, but the user can be understanding that for the users, it is for the user, or the it is for the viewers. Okay. So now let us go back to our presentation and understand more things about the HTML command. So we have done our hide content. So now how to hide more content. So you have done that, how to add simple one line content. So you can also add hide more than one line. Everything between the this and this will be displayed from the hidden from the display. Hide a section of HTML code. So like uh, which I have done, but they have just 2 or 3 lines over here. So how to add more content just like it, and Comments are also great for debugging HTML because you can comment out HTML lines for code one time to search for errors. Next, hide inline content. So, do you know how to hide inline content? Comments can be used to hide parts in the middle of the uh, HTML code. For example, hide a part of a paragraph. So this is a paragraph. This great text is a paragraph. So just we have to hide this great text. So let us write it on Visual Studio Code. So we are back to our Visual Studio Code. So let us write over here. So I have a paragraph. So this is just a comment over here, and this a great text, a great text, a paragraph. So just save it, and we'll just go to our browser and let's see it. So can you see over here? This is a paragraph. Okay, can you see? It is showing that this is a paragraph. Next, if we go to our here, so can you see? Just refresh it, and this is a great text. So you will just able to know in the inline. So you can see over here, this is highlighted. So this is how the comments are used, and now we have to end our session over here. So I have a quiz for you all. Just a simple or just a syntax. So question is that what is the correct syntax for adding a comment in HTML? Options are: this is a comment. The option first is like this is a comment, hash hash, this is a comment, hash hash, this is a comment, and they both have slashes and they both are closed. Then exclamation, this is a comment. So just write the answer in the comment if you have given the right answer. So I am showing the correct answer in 3, 2, and 1. So the option C, sorry, so the option D is the correct option. So please, just tell that you have write the correct answer, and the correct answer was option D. So thank you and bye bye. Have a nice day ahead.